If you're studying for the INBDE, I highly recommend INBDE Bootcamp, an all-in-one study resource that will help you pass your exam. Use coupon code MENTALDENTAL for 10% off. Hey everybody, welcome back to Mental Dental. I'm Dr. Ryan, and I'm currently on vacation, surrounded by, as you can see, some truly beautiful nature. This is in Dalat, Vietnam, and it's a beautiful, beautiful place. And it got me thinking about something that I wanted to share with all of you, and it'll be particularly relevant if you're currently studying for an exam. Because I was thinking about how we study, and we live in a time where almost all studying has to happen on a screen, right? Whether it's a laptop, an iPad, or a smartphone, most of our resources today are digital. And I get it. There are incredible tools and benefits that come with that. You have digital flashcards and study tools. And I mean, gosh, even this video that I'm filming right now is only viewable on an electronic device. But let's be honest about this. Those same devices are also our biggest sources of distraction. And 1 second, you might be reviewing some oral pathology and getting some studying done. And then the next, you'll find yourself scrolling through social media and checking your text messages or watching something completely unrelated to oral pathology. And it's a very slippery slope, isn't it? These distractions can very easily lead to procrastination, and it'll completely mess with your focus and your motivation and also your just clarity, your mental clarity and state of mind. So what changed the game for me was this: unplugging those electronic devices. And so what I would do is I would print out lecture slides, print out my written notes, write out some flashcards, draw some pictures, and then leave my phone behind and take my studying outside. No notifications, no apps, just fresh air, natural light, and total focus. And I'll be honest, I did spend most of my study hours behind a computer screen, but my best studying, the highest quality, most effective learning I ever did, happened outdoors, unplugged, and fully present for what I was reading and studying from. Now, studying outside does take a little bit of planning. I've certainly had my fair share of mosquito bites and sunburns. I actually think I just got a mosquito bite right now. So I get it. Here's a few tips, though, if you are going to take your studying outside. Pick a day with nice weather. You don't want it to be too hot, not too windy, not too rainy. Bring a picnic blanket or a lightweight camping chair so you can sit down and be comfortable. Sunscreen and bug spray might be a good idea, especially if you're going to be out for a while. And maybe even pack a snack or some water to stay refreshed and hydrated. That's always important. And of course, if you have a front porch or a balcony available, that could be a nice, easier option. However, keep in mind that it'll be so much easier to get distracted because all it takes would be to walk 5 seconds back inside the house where all your electronic devices are. So that's why I think picking a more remote location works better for this type of exercise if you really want to go all in and experience the nature studying, so to speak. There's something really powerful about giving your brain that space to think, to connect all those ideas, to reflect, and just to breathe and be away from any distraction. Nature definitely has a way of helping you to clear out the mental clutter, right? The junk that just gets in the way. And when you're not constantly battling those digital distractions on your phone, your focus becomes so much clearer and so much sharper. So if you're feeling this overwhelmed feeling, you're burnt out from studying, or you're just stuck, you feel like you're not making any progress whatsoever, try this. Please try this. Print out just one chapter, one set of notes, and take it outside. Leave the phone behind. Leave the laptop behind. Tell your friends and family you won't be available for a little bit. And just let yourself study in peace. Give yourself permission to be unplugged. And you might be surprised how much better your brain works when you're not constantly plugged in. give it a try. Let me know in the comments below how it goes. I'd love to hear that. And thanks as always for watching this channel. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and a thumbs up. And if not for what I said, at least for this beautiful view behind me. It's really absolutely gorgeous. And please stay tuned to this channel for more things, dentistry, life advice, everything in between. And as always, happy studying, keep working hard. You guys are doing great. I'm rooting for you, and God bless you all. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.